What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to give passwordless access to our WordPress website for anyone with a link. So imagine the following scenario. You would like to offer temporary access to your WordPress website for a person to do a maintenance service, for one of your authors, one of your shop managers, or maybe a supporter of a company that would like to help off on your site. Anything like this. How to create account for this person and let this person access your site without needs of passwords or wasting time. This is simple, easy, effective, and free. And let's learn how to do this immediately. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, hit the left sidebar of menus after accessing your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, at least this time, you're gonna need to access your domain plus WP admin, enter into the WordPress login page with username or email and password. Click on login. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, normally it's between appearance and users, and hover your mouse over it and click into the submenu add plugin. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to search plugins there is an empty field. Click right here and type temporary login without password. Here is the guide that we're looking for. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, the temporary login page. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over users, you're gonna be able to see a new submenu called temporary logins. Now all we have to do is click on create new, enter with a login with an email right here, enter with a name of the person, subname. Now the rule, it can be a shop manager, listing manager, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, maybe a contributor. Redirect after login. You can redirect to any page that you want. In my case, I would like to redirect to my WordPress dashboard, but you can redirect to your account, to the home page, to the checkout, up to you. Now, how much time does it take? How much time does this login will work? So the lifetime of the login, the expiry, it can be 1 hour, 3 hours, 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, access after, or even a custom where you can enter the date. I would like to have 1 hour of access. Now let me type the email that I would like to have access. Let's click on submit. You can also change the language. Sorry, the email is already on use, so we're gonna need to enter another email. No problem. Gonna be a contributor. The login gonna stand 1 hour. It's gonna be in English. Let's submit. Now we have the login, and the temporary login link is right here as well, but nothing much to do right here. Okay, you can copy this and send to the person, and we have 16 minutes remaining. In the case that you want to remove this person, or to email again, or to check the link, there is a little bit of icons into the right side. Right here we can lock access, delete, edit, email the login link. Normally it goes automatically, okay, so nothing to worry, or copy the login link. In my case, I'm just gonna delete because it's an example, but all up to you and your needs, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow All the best!